Hello, Mzansi, Umgosi Ojuicy here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So, another sad news for the MK party, Umkhonto weSizwe. So, lose another member from KZN, a very dedicated man to the party. Obeka busy nje. We all know Mr. Khanani Mdletshe from KZN, guys. Beka busy during my elections. A busy supporting MK, doing everything for MK to win. Siyakhumbula mos ukuthi beka general secretary from the NFP party, but when the NFP joined together with the A and ANC bayenda a government unity, Mr. Khanani decided, because no man, I'm moving to the MK. So pity, he was involved in a car accident and he has lost his life. So sad news for the MK, sad news for the KZN government and everyone. So Umgosi Ojuicy would like to say condolences to the family, condolences to the party and everyone. May his lovely soul rest in peace. Bye, guys.